Welcome to a new video of Phoenix Monster Reviews. Today we are going to unbox the second of the A&A series, and it's the blue one, the blue A380 registration JA928A. This is the box. Like before, a bit childish, but come on, it's okay. I don't mind it too much, to be honest. I think it's pretty cool. Here you can see the price in Swiss francs. Wasn't the cheapest model at all, but I think it's pretty worth getting this one because, as I told already in the other video, these models might get pretty rare. Yeah, let's open it, let's see how it is, how the model compares to the other one, how I like it compared to the other one. Like the orange one blew my mind in terms of quality and precision, so let's see. Ooh, the blue one looks pretty good as well. Like that's what I see now. I'm pretty happy about it. Okay, we have this little plastic here. Normally they take this away, I think. So, but I'm happy they leave this here. I just like it the way it's meant to be. I'm not sure actually. Maybe they do some pre-checks. I have no idea if the model is okay from the store, so I don't know. This is the model, guys. I think it looks pretty good. I think it's more or less the same like the orange one, except for that it's blue. So, and the registration of course is different, but hey, I don't mind that. I think it's pretty cool. So let's jump straight ahead to the zoom part and check out the details. There we go. So basically it's the same like the last one, the orange one, with the eyes, the smile here, tortoise, the shells and everything. So really not much difference. Pretty accurate. We have the antennas here, the first one here, and then there is something protruding here, next antenna. And I called it last video the Wi-Fi box, but it's of course it's not called the Wi-Fi box. It's just a box to get the Wi-Fi or the internet. I mean, there must be a router down there probably to get the Wi-Fi. And that's what I imagine at least. Then we have the flag of Japan, registration again, A&A and inspiration of Japan. It's basically the same like the last model, so but I wasn't too accurate with the last one, so because I had to hurry up because of the battery. This is how the model looks like, and let's turn it around. So from the other side, like the last one, it's basically the same. Not much difference here, and yeah. Okay, let's check it out from the front with the engines and then the top shot. It's really pretty much the same, but still, I want to show it to you guys. I think you should be well informed, like if you want to get this model or not, if you like it or not. There we have the engines, engine number 1, engine number 2. They look amazing, like the other one. Here they also have something protruding here, you can see it. Details are just phenomenal, like the last one. The cockpit here doesn't really get sharp here, but it's not really necessary because we have already seen on the zoom port engine number 3 and 4. And yeah, let's take a top shot quickly and a bottom shot. Top shot, yeah, basically it's the same. Winglet with no special colors here, just gray. And of course on the outer wing we have the registration. Like I think it's common for Asian airlines to have this there, the other wing. Let's take a bottom shot quickly and then we might be already finished this model. There we go. Here we have another antenna. Yeah, it's the camera struggles to focus it. So basically here, yeah, you can see now, here is the antenna. And again we have A&A, inspiration of Japan. We have again the red dot here. Just to let you know, we have it like differently. Here is the red dot and then here is the registration. So it's like crossed compared to the upper part. And yeah, not much else to say. Where did I touch now? We even had some, oh, it's here. The landing gear here, and from behind, let's take a shot from behind, how it looks at the gate, so to speak, when the airport is in front of us. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Pretty cool model. To be honest, I'm still impressed by this one, also by the print here. I know the first model is always like, oh, it's new and I've never seen this. It's pretty cool. I don't know, to be honest. I told you, first I thought, okay, maybe I like this the most, but now I'm not too sure anymore. Now I'm really not too sure, because the orange has something special for me as well, because an orange plane, it's not really common. I only can imagine now TNT with an orange livery, and no other, oh yeah, of course, EasyJet, but still, it's like, I only know those two carriers now, so yeah, but still pretty cool. Blue is cool as well. How should I say? Yeah, it's blue. I mean, I think a few more airlines have blue in their livery, like the Lufthansa. I mean, okay, it's pretty dark blue, but still. So, still a cool livery. I think the orange is a bit more special in my taste, but hey, we still have the green one, so maybe the green one will be the most special one. We will see. I will decide when I've seen all models. Okay, I hope you liked this review. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, it would be amazing, and then we'll see us with the last model for this series, with the green one. See you guys.